Hello, today we will guide you through how to flip a shape in Lucidchart. If you need to mirror a shape so it faces the opposite direction or appears upside down, Lucidchart makes that very simple. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on using the flip options available from the top menu. This is especially useful when you're working with arrows, icons, flowchart elements, or any custom shape that needs a quick visual adjustment without redrawing it. To begin, open your blank diagram in Lucidchart. Once you're on the canvas, make sure you can clearly see the shape you want to edit. In this example, there is a sample shape already placed on the page, which makes it easy to demonstrate the process. Next, click on the sample shape to select it. This is an important part of the process because Lucidchart needs to know which object you want to modify. When the shape is selected, you should see the usual selection outline or handles appear around it. If you don't see those selection indicators, just click the shape one more time to confirm it's active. After the shape is selected, move your attention to the top of the editor and click on the Shape option. This menu contains settings and actions related specifically to the selected object. Opening it gives you access to editing choices that affect the shape's appearance and orientation. From there, choose either the horizontal flip or the vertical flip option. A horizontal flip will mirror the shape from left to right, which is helpful if you want a shape to face the opposite direction. A vertical flip will turn it from top to bottom, which is useful when you need the shape inverted. As soon as you click one of these options, the change should apply immediately on the canvas so you can preview the result right away. If the shape doesn't look the way you expected, you can simply use the other flip option to compare the two orientations. This can help when you're trying to match nearby objects or maintain consistency in a diagram layout. That's all it takes to flip a shape in Lucidchart. Select the shape, open the Shape menu at the top, and choose horizontal or vertical flip depending on the result you need. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and natural.